Hello everyone. I think last time there was a little bit of connection issue. So we have just marked our, if I'll show you, there was a little high impact news at 8:30. See here, at 8:30 there was a little bit of high impact news, not very high, but first of all what you have to do, change your trading view time and forex factory time to UTC minus 4 like this, New York local time. Then you can easily mark your New York session, London session, or Asian session. So, so there was a high impact news. It has passed. It was at 8:30 and now is 8:40. I have marked the previous day high and previous day low. Now we are moving down to 4 hour. In 4 hour, this fair value gap is in premium. Like if you have watched my previous live streams, I have told you that if you want to sell, only sell from premium and only buy from discount. This is very important. Never ever buy from premium or discount. Like this is our range, this is a range, and market, I took a trade here and also shared in in my telegram community that am, and my take profit was 2730, almost 170 pips, live in front of hundreds of people. And now the market is still going up into this fair value gap that is in premium. So if we move down to 1 hour, first of all what we do, we are going to mark our one day, our daily opening. Like this is our daily opening. If I mark like this is our new day open. This is our new day open. The best buy setups are formed below new day open, like if we want to buy, and best sell setups are formed above new day open. This is our new day open. And same for weekly open and monthly open. If you do swing trading, like I mostly do day trading, so that's why I have just marked our new day open like at 00 GMT. And always change your trading view time to UTC minus 4. Like then you can, like I'll show you how you can easily mark your Asian session, London session, or New York session. Like those sessions highs and lows are also our drawn liquidity. Like there is a lot of like stop losses of people or anything else. So if I mark Asian session, what is the time for Asian session? Asian session is from 8 p.m. to 12 p.m. Like 8 p.m. is at 20, 8 p.m. to 12 p.m. This is our I'll move down to 15-minute time frame so that you can see easily. Like just you can see this is our Wednesday open. And if I mark our today open, this is our today opening, Thursday opening. If we analyze our previous day, like if I have already shared in telegram group that market is going to take all these levels, and it has took but a little bit late, but then I took a trade here at this fair value gap. Oh, and almost booked 170 pips, shared the trade here in the group, and then took my take profit here almost 170 pips. Like if you can take just one trade, and if you hit 2 to 3 even stop losses with 30-40 pips, that doesn't matter. Like risk to reward ratio is the main thing that is going to save you. big losses are harmful for your account. So if we see our previous day, this was our Asian session, and if I'll mark our London session, that is from 2 to 5. That is our London session. And this was our New York session, and market gave us a strong selling. From mostly kill zone is from 7 to 10, but I'll generally use it to 11. So this was Wednesday Asian session, London session, and New York session. And the market took this New York session liquidity and moved up, still going into retracement. And this is our 4-hour fair value gap. Let me write something here. Okay. So now we are interested in Thursday. I'll mark Thursday Asian session 8 p.m. to 12 p.m. high and low, and if I mark London session, that is from 2 to 5 a.m. Like, that's why I have told you that to change your trading view time to UTC minus 4. Asian session or London session. Even today, what the market have sometimes the London session make the high or low of the day, but today if the market wants to sell, still the market is, let me mark our today. First of all, this was Wednesday opening by mistake, and we have to mark our today's opening. This is our new day opening. If we want to sell, then the best time for selling is above new day open and buy from below new day opening. And same for New York session. Like in New York session, buy from above and sell below. Okay, so now you can see this is London session, this is Asian session, this is London session high and low. Market after the opening continuously going into retracement. We don't saw any kind of big bullish candle, but let's see. Now if I'll mark our, this is our London session low. So this is our 15-minute time frame, and on 8:30 the market have moved up. Now it has moved into our fair value gap, 4 hour fair value gap, and the market is in for our 4 hour fair value gap, and we have to see some kind of strong displacement, then we can only enter, otherwise there is nothing. Like the market is not moving vigorously, just moving a little bit in consolidation or very small moves. I think tomorrow is the last day of the week. Tomorrow we will expect a lot of volatility in the market, and no, there is no high impact news tomorrow. So on the 15-minute time frame, let's see, our this is our last day high, or we can also call it all time high, and the market is in 4 hour fair value gap, and let's see what happened on the 5-minute time frame. Like, let me tell you something. Like, if you want to buy, this is a, if we want to buy, we only want to buy in discount and sell from premium. See now, the market is in discount but not in deep discount. If we move a little bit more on the lower time frame, yes, here, let me show you a trade like this. Like, if we buy from here, like the stop loss will be here and our take profit will be here. And so simple trade, but now the time is very dangerous. Like, it can easily come down because of the time, because the closing of the 1 hour candle, the 1 hour candle close, like the one, accumulation, manipulation and distribution, and now is the time for closing of the hourly candle. But let's see what happened. Like, I already took a great trade of 170 pips, and I shared in the telegram group that I have took that trade, and I also shared before, during and after. If you check the description, there is a link of telegram community if you want to join. And if you are new on this channel, kindly subscribe and like this live stream. See the there is no like strength in the market, but still it is trying to move up because of the economic condition of the world or whatever is happening around. Why I took this trade? Like I have told you that just because the market was in discount, and I just trying, like, not giving you any kind of signals, just for understanding of the market. Because the market has not still reached our 50% of the fair value gap, so I took a bet on that, and let's see. Let's see. Like I have told you, just because of the reason that the closing of the hourly candle, this all is happening. Otherwise it was a very good setup, but just because that the hourly candle is going to close, that is the reason it is very dangerous. But just for fun or understanding, I am taking this. It only needs 2 to 3 good candles, and that will be enough. The market is in consolidation. Like whenever like this situation happens, it is a very bad conditions for the market. Very low probability day to day even. Like tomorrow we will expect a little volatility because of a lot of people close their orders tomorrow at the end of the week. We are also above our 8:30 opening. Let me see our 8:30. Where is 8:30? Yeah, yeah. The market is in consolidation. Very bad thing. The best time to take a trade is double purge. Like when the market, like if we are bullish and the market takes this liquidity, then that will be high probability setup. Always trade using the higher time frame, then only you are going to get the better risk reward ratios. Only 3 minutes are left, and closing of the hourly candle, and taking a lot of time. I really hate these kind of setups, but when I am trading the higher time frame, I generally take a trade and then leave that instead of watching that. A bad trading day does not mean a bad trading week. Always manage your risk before taking any kind of trade and have your plan written. Like when is the entry and when is the exit. Like if it hit a loss, no problem. Like I told you that I took this trade in discount, but it was not in deep discount, and the market also don't have enough volatility, so anything can happen. And also the closing of the hourly candle. in the next 2 minutes our stop loss will be hit, or our it will move in the direction making the high of the on the 1 hour is there is nothing on the downside. I don't think it should go down, but let's see. This is also the part of the game. So it has successfully hit our stop loss. Like you cannot predict every trade live, but still there are confirmations and you can take a trade with that. I think in this is the fifth live stream in which I have hit any kind of loss, but no problem. There is no way to win every time in trading. Loss is the part of the game, and we have to accept this reality as soon as possible. Otherwise, it will be very hard for us to trade. Has hit almost fourth quadrant of the fair value gap and it is coming down. Like here is we can see 25. Like it is possible that the market starts to do strong selling. We wait for 9:30 and let's see what happens. If we see silver is going up and gold is now selling. So let's see. We are coming down to discounts. It is possible for the market to strong sell, but we took a trade here I think and then it didn't go well, but that is not a problem. Loss is the part of the game. We have to manage our risk and let our edge play in the long term. Then only we are going to do something. The market has took all these liquidity and now it is moving up. But let me check it. The market is very much like consolidation is in consolidation. That is a very bad thing for trading. but still there is chance for the market to go 50% of this area. That I told you, but we took our entry a little bit wrong. But before selling, like it is also possible for it to sell, but at least it should go up to 50% of this fair value gap, 4 hour fair value gap. Like if we draw, like this is the 50%, and before selling it can, here, yeah, possible. Like our bias was problem with this OBS studio. If I move to 1 minute time frame, like it is going to our drawn liquidity, like we took a trade a little bit wrong, but what I told you, that it is possible for it to go to this level. Well, let's see if it used the 0.25% quadrant of the fair value gap of the 4 hour, or it used this one. Market is in consolidation in a range. Very low probability day. Otherwise, gold is very volatile. Like when you have confirmation according to your trading plan, then don't worry. Like don't afraid of this big candles. Like just go with the your bias or your trading plan. Let's see if it goes there or not. It is going up. The higher time frame trend of the market is bullish, but we are using a lower time frame, so for us the higher time frame is 1 hour 15 minute, and entry time frame will be 1 minute. Like I think we took correct entry here, but we should wait for hourly candle open. Like I told you already there at that time. This is 2743. We can write draw liquidity in the center. The main volatility is, nowadays is coming in the market after 9:30 or 10 a.m. Like this is just low probability day, but we can expect volatility after 9:30, because at 9:30 equity opens. Like we reached our target Here that is our target, like when we took a trade from here, and I told you, but that was my mistake. I should wait for hourly candle open before taking any kind of doing stuff. Wow. Big players here that are strongly selling. That is 21, 49. So what I have told you that the market is going towards at least 50% of the fair value gap, but firstly the market did accumulation, manipulation and distribution. But there is a very low volatility now in the market. That's why it is very hard to see the market. I want the market to go up, at least take this one. But the market has very little volatility. At 9:30, a lot of volatility is going to come into the market. And at 10 a.m., our high probability New York session starts. There is no volatility in the market. That is the main reason. Otherwise, our target was obvious. Like, see, I have just drawn a Fibonacci retracement, and the market follow that. Like, like this. See, this is a range, and it is going like this. Like, ignore this stuff, but it is going up. If you see my last sessions, like four four sessions, I have did four live streams before. In that there was a lot of volatility. Like market hit stop loss for take profit just at once in minutes. But now you can see very low probability time. Nowadays the market giving high probabilities opportunities just after 10 a.m. But I just uh, did today's live stream just to show you this news, but it doesn't have very much impact on the market because they are not high impact news. Like the high impact news are CPI, FOMC, and NFP. Those are the main high impact news. Like these are just time pass. Like if I draw this range, this is a range. See, below 0.5 we can buy, and above 0.5 we can sell. Like these wicks that you can see, these wicks, what these wicks are showing us, that wait for the volatility that is going, when it comes in the market only then trade. These wicks shows that there is no much volatility in the market. Only 10 minutes are left, and then 9:30, at 9:30 equity opens, and then the market get some sort of volatility. But for now it is very slow. Like if you are from the starting, then you know that here I told you that market at least go to this level if it wants to sell, even if it wants to sell. But here we too did a little bit of mistake, but here we can see, like it has took this high, not yet. It will take in the next 1 to 2 minutes. See, so it has took this high, as I have told you. All concepts work on the higher time frame and even on the lower time frame. Like if there is a fair value gap, if there is an order block or mitigation block or breaker block, or there is, like here you can see, there is accumulation, manipulation and distribution. This happens on almost every time frame. We first of all we draw a range from here to here. It followed that and moved up, taking this liquidity, and it was almost 40-50 pips. This is a fair value gap. Let me tell you what is a fair value gap. There is a gap between the high of the first week and the low of the third week. So this is a fair value gap. When this fair value gap is in discount, like if we draw a range, like we have draw here from to here, the same if we draw a range from here to here and there is a fair value gap in discount, then that is a good thing. Like we can take a trade from there. But that is at the center. Whenever it is in discount, that is a better thing, but in the center sometimes market respect, sometimes doesn't. But in the discount, market respect that most of the time. Only 5 minutes are left and I'll show you at 8:30. Little bit of volume comes into the market, but after 10 a.m. high probability trades starts nowadays in the market. Like if we talk the back about the back in, during that time, the market, what the market do, the market gave a lot of volatility at 9:30, but nowadays it is giving after 10 a.m. After 9:30 the market is gives like a market do consolidation, and after 10 a.m. it do whatever direction it wants to go. Like if we see our previous daily, if I move to 15-minute time frame, like see here, New York session at 9:30. See at 9:30 what the market did, market did a half hour of consolidation before giving us good move. Like after that market moved around almost 42, like almost 300 pips. And I also took a trade from here. Like I have also shared that in our Telegram community, that is free for joining if you want to join. Like here I took a trade here, and I closed almost here, at least almost here. At this point it was almost 170 pips. So let's see. still the market is going in our favor. As like I told you that if I want to sell, only if I want to see that market must reach at least 50% of the fair value gap. So let's see at 8:30, only 3 minutes are left, what happens. What is the problem? Still the market is going in our direction, and this is our draw on liquidity. And let's see. Like market used this order block that is in discount and is moving towards our draw on liquidity. So only a few pips are left and we reach our target that I have predicted almost here at this point, and we are up going towards our drawn liquidity that I have told you even in the starting of the live stream. And that is it. Almost if the market moves 10 pips more and it will reach our drawn liquidity, and only 10 seconds are left and equity is going to open. And let's see. Again, this is our range, and the market is again going into retracement. But especially on 9:30, what the market do? Market takes opposite side liquidity of 15-minute time frame. Like if I move to 15-minute time frame, it is very common for the market. Like if I draw this, this is the wick of the 15-minute time frame, and I'll show you what is the market effect from there if it moves. This was our overclock. 15-minute, and what was that? It was our 8:30 opening. Reached there, almost there. We started our live stream from here when the market was here, and I told you that the market will go here and we will draw our 50% of the 4-hour fair value gap. And but here we did a little bit of mistake, did a hurry in taking a trade, but from there the market has moved almost 70 pips, 60 to 70 pips market has moved. See, the market has reached our drawn liquidity as I am predicting from when we were here. Almost a little bit of few pips more and we'll reach there. If I'll see at 1 hour time frame, yeah, it can even reach here. That is our 24, 27.44. But market is in consolidation and taking a long time in moving, so that's why we just want to see if it reached there. Like again it is coming down. So if the market takes this low, what we are going to think that the market structure has shifted, let's start our selling trades? No, just see higher time frame first. Higher time frame is the main thing. Like if on the higher time frame it is bullish, what we want that the market take selling liquidity, and then at key level of 1 hour 15 minutes we will execute our trade and let it run. See, the market hit 15-minute wick and there is also a 1 minute order block, but the market has reached a lot so it can move into retracement because we are trading on the 1 minute time frame. So the market took this low, so this is a high probability that definitely it will go there. Let's see if the market close above this 15-minute wick that I showed you. uh, Let me show you again, like this one. I'll move these things. Weekly opening, let it